Compression fittings types.
(16mm) T-shaped compression fittings type. Inner structure compression fittings types. (20mm) equal T-shaped compression fittings types. Female thread coupling compression fittings types. Male thread coupling compression fittings types. Equal coupling compression fittings types. Elbow female wall compression fittings types.
So this brings us to the end of our video. For more details, check the links below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, peace.